So that was my first introduction to sustainability, producing this negative carbon material and then trying to promote through research that this is a good idea.
I don't think any of us woke up one morning and decided we were going to be sustainable people. It was a journey, and I'm really interested to know how that journey worked.
I represent University of Wollongong. I'm one of the few researchers, I think, on any of the panels. I started off life as a geologist. My very first job was working in a coal mine, and I have friends who are petroleum geologists, mining geologists, and this is one of the key sectors which is undergoing change at the moment. I, as part of my PhD, was working on mud. I'm an expert on mud, and I worked in electron microscope imaging of mud, really understanding in detail its structure. So those were my key skills, geology and microimaging and microimage analysis. When I started working as a researcher, my first area of research was moving into how we can start using biological life in order to carry out processes for engineering. So this is applied geomicrobiology. And one of those things, one of the things that we identified was we can use these microorganisms to make a cement, to precipitate cement and turn granular material, sands, into solid building materials. And the cement that was made, it made, stored carbon dioxide inside it. It made a solid carbon dioxide-based material, or calcium carbonate as the cement. So that was my first introduction to sustainability, producing this negative carbon material and then trying to promote through research that this is a good idea. But also along the way, I started looking into other areas of sustainability. One of them was in transport, and I was looking at microimaging of the linings of tunnels, specifically the reinforcement, and looking at, as we electrify railways, is there going to be a stray current issue which will degrade the reinforcement within these tunnel linings? So quite specific projects. Once I moved here, the sustainability elements came together. There was a research cluster that was set up here, which was Smart and Sustainable Cities. And with all of my links and various projects, I was placed as the leader of that cluster. And then through, I guess, enthusiasm, I managed to get more than half of the faculty joining the cluster working on sustainability research. Then later on, when the faculty was restructured, I was then promoted to the Director of Research for the university. So I'm one of 4 of the directors for the university, focusing on our research effort, and I'm trying to focus it towards sustainability.